Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam and I welcome you all to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you a wonderful story, an emotional story, and what lesson we learn from this story. At the end of the video, I will ask you 3 questions. If you listen to the story carefully, it will be very easy for you to answer the questions. And if you can answer the question, it means that your English is very good. Your listening skill is very good. I keep telling you stories because I know once your listening skill improves, your fluency will also improve. Listening and fluency are connected. So listen to the story very carefully and try to answer me. Yes, before I start, a small request. If you like this video, please do subscribe. So this story is about a businessman. Once there lived a businessman. He was very rich. He had many factories, many workers working under him. One day, he decided to go home little early. So he sat on his car and he went home. It's a big bungalow. After reaching home, he saw that his family members are doing puja. But he don't believe in God. He always feel that God is not there. So what he did, directly he went to his room and asked the servant to bring a cup of tea for him. Suddenly, he realized that he is having some pain in his chest. He is not feeling well. He is feeling restless. Immediately, he asked the servant not to bring any tea or coffee, just to call the doctor. The servant immediately informed all the top doctors, and within some time, all the doctors came to visit him. But to their surprise, they find that the businessman is absolutely fine. There is no problem with him. So the doctor said that you should not worry because you don't have any problem. But the businessman still feels he is not well. He's feeling restless. So he asked the doctor to prescribe some medicine. After the treatment is over, the doctors left. He tried to sleep, but he is unable to get sleep. He changes sides. He gets up, go to the toilet, comes back, again tries to sleep. But no, he is awake. He sees his watch. It's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. He is not getting sleep. So at around 3:30, he decided to get up. He feels that maybe if he goes out, he won't be feeling that restlessness. He will feel better. So he went out just for a walk. While walking, he forgot that he has to return home. So he traveled a long distance. And there he sat down. He opened his slippers and he sat down in one place. Suddenly he started thinking about his childhood days, about his days when he was not at all worried. He used to be so happy. He used to enjoy every day, every moment. But now, he is a worried person. He keeps thinking about what is going to happen tomorrow. He keeps thinking about his business, about his family, and all the thoughts keeps rolling in his mind. And that is why he is so upset these days. He wants to get rid of all the pain. He wants to get rid of all the worries. But he don't know what to do. He cannot find any solution. So while he was thinking all this, suddenly a dog came and took one of his slipper and ran away. He saw that dog and he ran after the dog. The dog went to a nearby place and he left the slipper there and ran away. The businessman collected the other slipper and thought, let me go back home. Suddenly, he can hear Someone's crying. He's surprised, he's shocked. It's around 4 o'clock in the early morning. And who is crying? A lady. But he hardly bothered. He thought, it's none of my business. Let me go back home. He started going towards his home. But again he thought, let me see, who is she? He approached the small hut which was nearby. He knocked and a lady came out. The businessman asked, why you are crying this early morning? The lady said, see, she is my daughter and she is not well. She is ill. I don't have money to take her to the doctor and hence I have no solution. The businessman said, well, simply by crying, you will not get money. So why you are crying? She said, yesterday when Baba came, a priest came and told her that early morning you pray to God with all your heart and someone will come to help you. I started praying to God and suddenly I realized no one is coming and tears came down from my eyes. The businessman thought, my God, maybe that priest, that Baba, he was talking about me. Maybe I'm the one who is here to rescue them, rescue this family. So he said, don't worry, I will take care of your daughter. He called the ambulance, he arranged all the medical facilities and they all went to the hospital. He said, not to worry, whatever money is required, he will take care of that. Immediately after this action, something strange happened. The restlessness, the pain which was there in his chest suddenly disappeared. He realized what happened. He sat down, started crying because he became so emotional. He realized some miracle has happened. It's a blessing which has happened. So my dear friend, what all things we learned from this story? 3 important things which I would like to share with you now. The first thing is that there is no religion. The only religion is that humanity. You may be of one religion, he may be of another religion. We all are same. We all are the son and the daughter of that Almighty. So we need to love and we need to respect everyone. Next, if you have faith, miracles will happen. And the final thing is that if you keep helping others, God will help you. In this case, God has taken care of his pain and his restlessness. So my dear friends, I have 3 questions for you today. The first question, why was the businessman who went out for the walk late at night? Number 2, who was crying in the early morning? And what lesson you learned from this story? I'm sure you understood the story. And if you have understood, please reply to the question in the comments. If it is correct, I will give a thumbs up. But if you make a mistake, don't worry, I will reply to you. So hope you like this lesson. I wish to see you again in the next video. Thank you so much.